creamy, cheesy broccoli cheddar soup just like Panera Restaurant. I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you how to make a copycat Panera broccoli cheddar soup. Stay tuned. This copycat Panera broccoli cheddar soup is incredibly easy and yummy. So let's get started. In my pot on medium heat, I'm adding in a half a stick of unsalted butter and melting. Adding in 1 medium diced onion, cooking and stirring for a minute. This is 2 diced carrots. In Panera broccoli cheddar soup, they use matchstick cut carrots, but I'm not a fan of that cut in a soup. That is the beauty of making copycat recipes at home. You can make it the way you like it. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding in a little garlic. This is 1 large clove of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for another minute. To help thicken the soup, I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour. Stirring until the flour is incorporated, and then cooking and stirring for an additional minute to cook out that raw flour taste. Slowly adding in 4 cups of chicken broth. If you're using a canned or boxed chicken broth, you may want to choose a low sodium. Turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. For an additional boost of flavor, I have 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon and a dash of cayenne pepper. Giving that a good stir, adjust your heat to a simmer, cooking and occasionally stirring for 10 minutes. The base will thicken like a gravy. Now the star of the show, broccoli. This is 4 cups of broccoli florets that I cut in bite-sized pieces. Bringing the soup back up to a simmer and cooking for 15 to 20 minutes or until the broccoli is tender. This soup is smelling so good. For some added creaminess and richness, I have 2 cups of half and half. Stirring and cooking at a light simmer for an additional 5 minutes, and then turning off my heat. Give it a taste test for any additional seasonings. As you noticed, I didn't add any salt along the way because there is enough salt in the chicken bouillon and cheese. Whenever you're adding cheese to a hot liquid, you don't want your heat on. The cheese will just clump together. This is 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, giving that a good stir until the cheese is melted and incorporated. That's it, and we are ready to eat. It would be great to have a bread bowl to serve this broccoli cheddar soup just like Panera Restaurant. Garnishing with a little steamed broccoli and an additional sprinkle of cheddar cheese. This copycat Panera broccoli cheddar soup is so good, rich, and comforting. Tastes just like at the Panera Restaurant. The soup is cheesy and creamy, and you can really taste the broccoli. I had some homemade croutons that I added to the top to soak up all that goodness. I hope you give this copycat Panera Restaurant broccoli cheddar soup a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!